Another important tab in the Creative Editor is the Panel tab. This tab contains utilities that are related to each panel of the document. From here, we are able to delete the panel, duplicate the current panel design into a new panel, add a new blank panel, apply a background image to the panel, apply a background color to the panel, or remove the backgrounds altogether. This test document begins with one panel. At the bottom of the Creative Editor, there are tabs which represent the number of panels in the document. Clicking on these tabs allows the user to navigate between panels. Beginning with this single panel, clicking on the Duplicate Panel Design button will take the design from this panel and copy it to a new panel at the end of the document. When a panel has been duplicated, a green dialog box will alert the user. After duplicating the panel, the document now has two panels and two corresponding tabs at the bottom of the Creative Editor. Because we duplicated one panel's design into the other, the two panels are currently identical. However, if we change one, the original will remain the same. There are now two different and independent panels in this document. The Duplicate Panel option is an excellent way to keep consistency in a document with multiple panels. Rather than recreating a design on each panel as it is created, you can create a layout for one panel and duplicate that across several. In order to remove an unwanted panel, clicking the Delete Panel button will delete the current panel. Clicking the button will call a dialog box to allow the user to confirm the permanent removal of this panel. When a panel has been successfully deleted, a dialog box will alert the user. With our duplicated page removed, the Creative Editor now only displays one panel. The Add Panel option allows the user to add an additional panel without duplicating the design. This panel will begin blank, without any of the effects or objects that were created on the first panel. Again, when a new panel has been created, a dialog box will alert the user, and the Creative Editor will now show multiple panels. To this blank panel, a user can begin by applying a background image. Clicking the Add Background Image button will bring up a pop-up box. From this box, the user can select from images already uploaded to My Images, from the MenuSphere Global Library, or from uploading an image directly from their computer. I will apply a pre-selected image to this panel. The image that I have selected has now been stretched to fit this panel. In addition to images, the user can choose to add a color to this panel. To apply a background color, choose the Apply Background Color button. This option will bring up a pop-up box that will allow the user to select from a list of colors, from a color wheel of custom colors, or from swatches that have been previously saved. I will apply a previously saved swatch to this panel. Colors layer under images in the Creative Editor. A transparent or semi-transparent image will appear above the color and allow the color to show through. However, a solid image will not allow the background color to be seen. Because the background image and background color options are utilities of the panel, they are different from objects and cannot be selected. These options can only be edited from the Panel tab. In order to remove the background effects of a panel, the Remove Background button will return the panel to white. The ability to use the Panel tab to control panels of a document allows the user to create consistent and professional designs.